Welcome students to Deha Prakashan Academy Maharashtra. I am Sumedha and today we are learning for standard 4. Our topic is related words. Okay, now see, pay attention over here. I am teaching. Okay, see, words registers related to means what? The word is something related to material or something. Okay, that is word register. Okay, see, here is what is a word register? Means what? That is something relatable. Okay, and word family. And what? Real example. I will give some real example to you. Okay. Now see, means related word means what? If I say this is related means what? They are directly connected to each other. Okay. Means we will see a group of words tied to a specific topic or activity. Okay, if I say dance, what comes in your mind? Here comes in your mind a song, right? A dress code or something which you will have to wear a pretty dress. Okay, if you choose a colorful dress, what you will say? I will wear pink color dress or blue color dress. What is that? That is related to your dance. If you say I will have a sandwich on that day, means what? If you want to perform and what you will eat, you will eat a sandwich. Means what? You will pack your lunch box. Okay, and what you will do, you will have some energetic drink also that time. Why? You have to dance. That is what? That are interconnected. Okay, getting my point? Now see, another what will come, what steps you have to follow while dancing. So what you will do, you will do dance practice, right? This way. Okay, see now what I have said, words are tied to specific topic or activity. Now see, dance is a activity, and what is related is that the preparation is related, what dress you have to wear, what you have to do, means that dance should be very fantastic. What you will do, the you will do the hard work for that. Okay, so this is the way it is a interconnected. Okay, so that's why the words are tied to specific topic. See, now, another is word family. Like a family of words that naturally belong together. Means what? They are family word. Naturally belong together. Together means what? Something is collected or in a collective way. Understood, students? Now see, we will talk about real example. Now see, word about farming. I have taken the example of farming and word about the sky. Two examples I am given here. Okay, which is first farming and another is sky. Now see, pay attention here. See, word register farming. Farming means what? In Marathi, what we will say? शेती करणे. बरोबर. Okay. Now, see, farming. You what the first in your mind come? Farmer. Right? Everyone knows the farmer. Yes, who takes a lot of hard work to give us a good healthy food. Always remember this. right? Now see what he is activity he have to do. He have to do crop, grow crop, raising animal for food, right? What farmer have the animals? Farmer animals have goat, hen, right? What he have another? Cow, buffalo, okay, a bull, right? To farm. What he have? Bull, right? He also have sheep, a dog also. Why dog? To guard his farm. Everyone know this? Goat, hen, cow, buffalo, bull, sheep, dog. Why cow and buffalo is important? Yes, they give the milk. Very good. What farmer do? He drinks the milk and he send to the market and we can purchase it. Okay. Why bull is important? He used bull to harvest or while farming the farm he used bull. Right. Now other key activity. What he do? He includes planting, harvesting and caring for livestock. What he do? He plants some crops. See, this kind of a plant we see in our farm. Okay, we see the plenty of flowers on it. What he do? He take care of this, right? And harvesting means what? He is removing the grains from the plant and caring for livestock. What he do? He stock that and afterwards he sell to us, right? This is so much hard work. See, now what is farmer is doing? Grow and produce. What he grow? Crop. What he grow? Crop. And produce the seeds and harvest. Harvest means what? Removing the grains from the plant. People and tools. While this activity, there is so much hard work. He cannot do by its hand, but he have to use some tools. So what is that? That is farmer. Plow. Tractor. Tractor is useful to doing the farming. Okay. Now, without environment support, can he do that? If it's so heavy rain, can he do farming? No. So, good environment is also important. If there is no rain, that is also a problem. So, environmental should be supportive. Okay, means that is related to farming word. So what is related now here into related to environment and place? That is rain is important. Good soil is important. Good barn is important. And irrigation is important. Now see students, definition. The vast place above earth. We see clouds, the sun, moon and star. Where we see vast space. Everyone knows space? Space means antaryal. Antaryal. Okay. Antaral. Now that is about earth. What we see? We see clouds. We can see sun, moon, stars. So what is that place? That place is called sky. Can we see sky on earth? By down. Yes, we can see. But is it so near? No, it's too far. A billion kilometers, or what is the measurement of that, it is so far from us, but we can see a small stars, right? From where we see? From the earth. Can you see some stars are moving around us like that? No, that is into sky. Okay, the high place is called, that highest place is called sky. Okay, sky wonders. It's where weather happens and amazing things appear. You see a star is blinking also. Star blinks at night. It's it amazing? Amazing, right? It's so amazing. You see a blinking star, right? Now see here a picture of sky. See what you are seeing over here: a sun, stars, cloud, a moon, a rainbow, a aeroplane, a rain also is here, clouds, right? This way. Now see, with what is related? Cloud, sun, moon, star. Other sky words include winds. What? That is wind. You cannot see a wind, but you can feel. What you do? You can feel the wind. Another is rain. You can feel also and you can see also raining. What you say, it's raining outside means what? You have looked at, and that's why you understand. What you do? You look first and then you understand what there is raining. Okay. You see aeroplane. What you see in the sky? Aeroplane, helicopter, birds, a horizon. Horizon means what? If you are standing in a ground, okay, or you are standing outside, just imagine you are looking around. Okay, what you see? The sky is touched to earth, but actually it's happened? No. Have you ever seen the, you from long distance you see, but if you go to near, what will happen? You cannot see, the sky is touched to the earth. That is called horizon. What is the meaning of that? That is an horizon. Means what? You feel like that the sky is touched to earth, but actually is not happened. It will never happen. Okay. What you feel? The sky is touched to the earth. Okay, that is horizon. So these words help you to describe everything we see above us. Means what we see is in the sky. What we see, that is star and sun, moon, cloud. Okay. Now next is related to practice time. Now see, this is an easy question. Okay. Question number 1. That is, which of this is not related to farmer? Crop, farmer, aeroplane, solid. Does farmer using aeroplane in farming? No. So answer is aeroplane. Okay. Now see which of this is found in the sky? Tractor you found in the sky? You see a tractor is flying in the sky. Ever you seen this? No. Cloud, pluck, seed. What we see? We see clouds. So answer will be cloud. What do farmers use to break up soil? That is pluck. Question number 4. What provides water to the farm? Sun, rain, cloud, star. Rain is providing water to the farm. This is for your homework. Now see your challenge. Create your own words register. Choice topic. Pick topic like school, sports, animals, the beaches, music. Okay. Now see, list words for each. List at least 10 related words. Bonus fun is draw pictures for your register words. Now, for example, I am taking about school. See, pay attention over here. I am explaining you something important. See, this is the school. This is your school building. This is the entry. Okay, and here is a school. Your XYZ school. See, what is related to school? Yes, books. Notebook. Book. Notebook. Pen. Pencil. Bag. Teacher. STU. Student. Bench. Blackboard. Blackboard. Okay. Another is what? See how much we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more is remaining. Now see a school bell, which is very interesting sound. You want to always listen. How will when and when the lecture is finished, and you are waiting to hear that sound. I know everyone is waiting to bell rings, right? It is also related to school. This way you have to practice. Now another example I am taking. I want everyone to practice this. You just don't listen. You have to practice also. Then only you will understand and you can solve. I am teaching now and you will forget afterwards. No, you have to practice it also. Okay. Now see, another word is sport. Sport. So what is related to sport? Ball, bat, net. Everyone know football net? Yes. Football, basketball. Right? What is another? What? Yes. Sport shoes. Sport shoes. Right? Another is what related to for playing, that is table tennis. Okay. Right. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. Now think. Another will be what related to sports? Yes, sports dress. Sport dress is important. Okay. Ground. Very good. Ground. Ground. If there is no ground, where you will play sports? Those two good. Ground is also important. Yes. Another is a bag. Bag why? You carry your belonging, water bottle, to carry your belonging, to carry your some material. So you will use the bag. Now next is animal. Now see, what is animal? That is domestic animal and wild animal. So what I will do, I will write here a animal name. See, that is domestic, domestic animal, and another is wild. So domestic is what? Cat, and wild lion, tiger, dog. Dog is wild animal. No, that is a domestic animal. See, another is elephant. For example, now here you can see squirrel, right? This way you solve. Now see, another is that is the beach. Let it sea, fish, another what? Boat, net, fishing net. Okay, fishing net. Another is what is another? What is it related to beach? Yes, that is sea sails, boat riders. Everyone have done this, right? They have some food stall near, right? This way you have to, yes, coconut also. Coconut. Very good. Okay. Now this way you have to solve the answer. Okay. Now students see the another word is music. Music is what? Song, dance. Another is song type. It is classical or Indian classical or it's a Bollywood or Hollywood, right? And rhythm. Rhythm is also important. Rhythm. Okay. Another is what? Yes, CD player or FM. Okay. Or YouTube. You can listen on YouTube also. YouTube, Ghana app. Right, everyone knows Saregama. Saregama, right? A music show, music show. Yes. Another option is Bluetooth. Very good. Everyone is very clever here. Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Right? What is another? Singing competition. Singing competition. Yes. See, so many are this related to music. Yes, Bollywood song. Very good. This is the way to solve the answer. Now see, we have done at least 10 words, right? Now bonus one is what? You have to draw the picture also. I have drawn one picture for school. Now you draw for another. So for music, how you will draw? How you will draw? This is the music. Okay? From this or this type. This is the music symbol. Okay? This way you can draw. Now see. This is for your homework, students, and this is the answer which the taken previously MCQ. Now, thank you so much, students, and keep practicing and have fun while learning. Thank you.